Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you a little bit about file management today. Today was in class was our first day of uploading files into D2L, and one of the syllabus requirements says something about using a cloud or a thumb drive or something to get your files to class when we need to use files. Right now we have just been bringing printouts of the things that have been due. And today was the first day we've uploaded something into the assignments. So I want to show you how you can get your file back. So you have started a paraphrase assignment and we uploaded what you managed to get done in class today. So you see that I've gone to assignments. It's under activities. If I click the arrow down, it gives me that drop down menu. So I'm on the assignments page and you can see here's the assignment that we worked on, started in class. And here is confirmation that you did upload a file. So in order to get your file, I believe you can just click right here and it shows here's the file I uploaded in class. It will show the file you uploaded in class and you should be able to open that file and finish your paraphrase work. Whatever finishing that work looks like, maybe you only got one paraphrase done, maybe you need to still type in the second two-sentence passage, maybe you got all of that done and you want to start revising. So remember the paraphrase is due, the two paraphrases I should say, are due next Saturday on the 28th, and you should bring those to class. And you can just focus on finishing. You can focus on finishing and doing a little revision based on what we talked about in class. We will be doing a little peer review activity in class with the review work you do. I've just sent you your partner's files, so you'll be reviewing your partner's paraphrases and coming to class with your review of their work in your journal. I will see you guys in class on Saturday, and thanks for a great class today. Talk to you later.